Let's get into the next level of frying with Nutricook. You can prepare all your favorite foods quicker, crispier and healthier with Nutricook's air fryer oven. So now let's get into the unboxing and reviewing of it. The air fryer oven makes food with 85% less fat than traditional frying. The air fryer oven comes with air fryer and a convection oven, roastery oven and dehydrator all in one. It has a perfect crisp technology where the outside is perfectly crisp and the inside is tender. It has a cook at a touch. It has 9 one-touch presets which makes it easier to cook and for the fast-paced people. It comes with a rotating basket, 3 wire racks, roastery shaft and the skewers. It can fry, bake, grill and cook all your favorite food. The maximum temperature of this air fry oven is 200 degrees Celsius and the minimum goes to 30 degrees Celsius. You can click on the plus and minus button to increase and decrease the temperature. In this side, the time is also done as the same. You can plus or minus the time. You can also cancel all the settings you have done till now. The light button also turns on and off in the underside. This is a rotating button for the rotating basket. This is the start button for starting the cooking. This is an option and preset timing and degree for fries, chicken, samosa, pastry and cakes, preheating, steaks, fish, pizza, rotisserie, and dehydration. Once you click them, the degree and the time will change automatically according to it. You can also set your preferred timings and the temperature along with it. This is an air vent from which the hot steam comes out when you're cooking. So kindly refrain from keeping your hand above it or on it. This is a hot air outlet from which hot air released while cooking. So it is advised to refrain from touching and keeping your hand above it. It is also good to keep 15 to 10 centimeters distance between the hot air outlet and the wall or any other surface. Always take the glass pane out of the air fryer oven at a 45-degree and check before placing it back in. Always wash your accessories before use. Also, they are dishwasher safe. One of its advantages are when you open the door, the air fryer oven automatically pauses. Better crispiness, you can change the racks to a higher position so that the heat will be given evenly distributed. I have brought the first rack to the last and the second to the top and the third to the second row. As you can see, the french fries has been thoroughly cooked and crispy.
It's very crispy.
Huh?
Nice.
Which do you like the most?
I like the French fries.
Uh-huh.